And they've been into the whole shopping thing. Well, the shopping scene here is unreal. However, you will be paying premium. We just went into Steve Madden over there, and I get better deals at Winners and all the sort of discount stores. Mind you, it's not new stuff, not in-season stuff, but at least it's better than the prices that I saw over there. And it does get pretty crowded, especially trying to cross the street and stuff like that. So if you're bringing little Johnny and Susie and all of them, make sure you're prepared for crowds because it does get crowded, as I said. I love all the lights, the buzz of the people. I just love it down here, man. I was here about a year and a half ago with my brother, and my first taste of New York. Second time now, and I will say, I'm a huge fan. And the street crossings is where you're gonna really have a tough time once it gets crowded, because everybody's trying to make it across. You'll see in a second. MJ walking. I hope they got a ticket. Watch. Yeah, and if you're wondering, yeah, we did drive down there as well, so we had to deal with it. So people, the crowds I was talking about earlier there, and it's just non-stop people just it's getting thicker and thicker though. So we're in the heart of it now. It's gonna go on the other side in a second, but
you guys enjoy alcohol and black people? Some comedy? Good answer. Thanks for being friendly. You guys like comedy and black people? Some alcohol?
now, if I'm being completely honest with you all, my main reason for coming back to Times Square, well, I'm in New York for the Caribbean Parade on the Parkway in Brooklyn. I've been all over. I've been to Harlem, Brooklyn, Queens, all over the place. But my real reason, I'm gonna zoom in. You see that? Junior's Cheesecake. The one in Brooklyn is boss. But out here, something about it as well. I just have to come out here and get it every time I'm out here, yeah?
I probably should have.
I don't know if you guys can see the menu board, but it's pretty insane, man. Right there. Yeah, go ahead.
Like that's it. My taxi, guys.
Sir, my taxi. Yes, guys. Taxi, guys.
You guys are some sort of street performer.
Oh! To the kid in the front, you're safe. Make some noise, y'all. To the sexy Asian guy. Let me show you what.
Hey, Rich guy, here you go.
I guess there's some sort of art installation or something. Well, folks, I hope you guys enjoyed a little tour of Times Square here in New York City. Your boy Chris here. Nice little thank you for joining me. Always appreciate you guys. I'm running out of energy. I've been going for 3 days now non-stop.
Yeah, donation.
So they're looking for money for taking a picture.